Hi, this is Cole from CMS. I've got a few of our senior team members, Casey, Dean, and Deepti on a quick video call today to answer one simple question. What is managed services? It's a term we mention a lot, but it may not be clear what it is or what it means for your business. So, Casey, what is managed services?
Uh, Essentially, it means that we become your IT department. So if your company is growing and you need that operational maturity, the next logical step is an outsourced IT partner like us. Managed services encompasses configuring, troubleshooting, protecting, and optimizing your physical infrastructure, like computers, mobile devices, printers, and servers, as well as things in the cloud like your data, backups, Office 365, and applications. It also means that we help set up policies and processes as well as train your staff.
And many businesses are accustomed to the break fix approach, right? If it breaks, you pay someone to fix it. But that's a reactive approach that doesn't serve businesses well because it often means little issues have become big issues at that point and your staff aren't working efficiently. It can directly affect your end clients.
Yeah, spot on. So managed services is a proactive approach. Yes, managed services covers your business for issues like you can't print, can't connect to the internet, your computer won't start at all, you're not receiving calls on your phone, you're moving office, you need to make a new network connection, etc., or you've been hacked. But the proactive approach keeps your business running smooth with 24/7 monitoring on all infrastructure, both physical and cloud, handling all patching and updates, spotting the potential issues before they happen, and seeing trends that help inform your IT strategy. It also means we help your business become more efficient, consolidating infrastructure and systems to save you money, deploying new processes that save you time. Taking a holistic approach and view of your business allows us to make your systems work smarter for your business. Dean, are there any other projects that we've done recently for our managed service customers that might help illustrate this best?
Yeah, there's a couple I can think of. For one client, we did a complete security uplift after noticing an increased amount of phishing emails being sent to their staff. So we rolled out the newest Microsoft licenses and implemented features like mobile device and application management and advanced data controls. So they can control who can access what data in what situation with what controls. We set up labels in their documents in SharePoint, so if they do leave the corporate environment, they can't be opened. And we added another layer of protection against email-borne threats. For another client, we ran one of our in-depth IT audits. We identified ways to save them money on infrastructure and licensing by migrating a line of business application into the cloud. This then allowed us to automate a previously manual process of grabbing data about sales orders from one system and entering them into their CRM.
Thanks, Dean and Casey. So hopefully now you have a better understanding of what managed services is and does. The last question you might have, why use us? So I'll let our operations manager, Deepti, answer this one.
Many clients think we just handle Office 365 licensing and support or web hosting, but we have a team of Microsoft certified techs that can handle every aspect of your IT environment, from servers and hardware to cloud application storage and custom developments.
So yes, we can do it all, but our managed services clients love us. What do they love most about us, Dee?
That we respond and fast. We have 24-hour support during the business week, and our managed service clients also have a VIP phone line where someone answers immediately, as well as a dedicated email address where they will get assistance from a senior technical engineer who will be patient and be able to help them right away. Another thing our managed service clients would say about us is that they trust us. We've spent years building a competent team of engineers and developers. We have clients in all industries using many different systems, which mean our team is constantly increasing their expertise and capabilities so that we're here to help you.
If your business is growing or you want to leverage your IT to make your business run better, reach out to us. We'd love to chat about becoming a managed service client and get an operational edge on your competition. Hope to speak to you soon.